Before your shift, take time to inspect your equipment. A small rip in a glove is all it takes to get a burn. Gloves can be tested by submerging them in water to check for pinholes. If you notice a problem with any of your equipment, inform your supervisor and remove it from service. When you're finished using your equipment, always clean off all acid contamination before taking it off. Then return it to the proper storage area so it'll be ready for next time.